The Women's College Shillong today organized a two-day national seminar on Meghalaya in the 21st century. The chief guest of the program was Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, Director General of Police, Meghalaya. Speaking during the inaugural program the DGP spoke firstly of how global developments impact all of us. So Meghalaya's future also is linked to world developments. He further said that stress should not be on development alone, but socio-economic development, keeping the social norms in mind when planning is made. Meghalaya can teach the world on ecological development and sustainable growth.
Whatever global developments, wherever it takes place, it impacts all of us. Because as the Prime Minister says, it is a one earth, one family and one future.